or what you wear. It is about the difference that you can make with or without the title. Joining the ABBA Hong Kong beauty pageant 1 year ago was my attempt in fighting my shyness and insecurities. Winning the crown was an added blessing, so I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to those who believe in me through all these years. To the members of ABBA Hong Kong, to my loved ones, and to my family, my relatives, and to my friends, and to the panel of judges who deem me worthy, thank you very much. And thank you most to our dear Almighty God for giving me a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that I will treasure forever. To the contestants, I wish you luck, and may whoever succeed in this title strive to be an inspiration to young women and girls everywhere. To the future ABBA Hong Kong, always believe in yourself. You are so much better than what others people say to you. Thank you for such a remarkable experience of my life. Agbyag Tiyanak Tibatak Association, Hong Kong.